Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, we are going to see that how we can register Cosmos DB as a source into Azure Purview, Microsoft Purview, and how to scan that one. So let's go ahead into register tab for Azure Purview. This is our home data map section in register one. And let's try to find Cosmos, right? Cosmos SQL API. And we can say that demo. Let's update the name. It is going to list whatever is present into our subscription. So I have only one right now, Snowflake demo, which I created for previous demo. So I will go ahead and register this one as a asset. And which root collection? So let's put into sales one for that purpose. So now it is registering our Cosmos DB as a source into Azure Purview, Microsoft Purview. So now it got registered. Now let's go and try to set up a scan thing. So if we go to new scan and let's put the name for new scan, and there is only one way to connect that Cosmos. We have to use account key. So an account key we have to put into. If you see that this is disabled, there is no other option right now. So Cosmos we have to put that one key vault, and we have key vault connected, but we have to get that key and let's use the primary key, and we have to go into our key vault and let's put this one into Cosmos key. So as we have already this as a linked service into this one key vault connection, now I can go and put this Cosmos key and try to see that it is working as a test connection, if we have any option for test connection or not, right? So if we do the test connection for this Cosmos DB, it should be successful because we have taken that account key and put into key vault, and then we have connected key vault. So right now connection is successful. So let's continue this one. Now it is going to ask about then what is scheduled to be, but so yeah, it is listed all this collection which we have into our Cosmos DB. Right now if we go into our Cosmos DB, we have only one collection which is test DB under DB test Cosmos collection. So the similar thing is coming here, that Cosmos DB test Cosmos DB, and then if we go into collection one, it is going to come. So by default all collection will be scanned from this one. This one we can scope this one, scope the connection, but let's continue with this one. Now which this rule set it is going to apply. So if we see the details for Cosmos DB, all these details are there. We can create a new rule set also, but let it go by default one only right now. What will be the schedule for scanning Cosmos? Let it be right now only once for testing purpose, and let's save and run this one. Right now it is in queue. So yeah, so this scan has been completed. Let's go to our collection section where we added this one into sales, and now we can see the 3 is there, right? And we can go by this one also, so map wise also. And if you see this one, that our Cosmos is here, and if we go in details, same thing, 3 discovered asset, 1 classified, and 1 scan we did. So scans we have whatever scan we did, right? So now if we go into asset section, so let's go in this one, and there is asset, and then we see that this was the previous one, a Snowflake demo is our name for Cosmos DB account, and Cosmos DB is our database, and then test Cosmos is our collection. So in collection, if we go into details, then we should be able to see schema also, right? So let's go and see that schema. So if we go into details of Cosmos, and if we have only one item kept over there, so if you see ID, first name, ID, and all these details, it is fetching over here and it is displaying that one. So this is what it is coming right now into this section for scanning from Cosmos. Cosmos also, if you see that hierarchy, that Snowflake demo is our Cosmos DB account, container is there, DB is there, test Cosmos, and then this is the collection which we are talking about, and collection path is there, details, all this qualified name and other things coming. So now if we go into browse section, then we can see the details. One more has been added, source type, and if we try to search with the name that Cosmos, right, then we can see this collection is coming as a name. So sorry. And here if we go into source, we can see the test collection is coming, and we can go from here to also from looking into schema. That is what I wanted to see in this one. Thank you very much.